Hey, what's up, everybody? Week 3 game picks in whatever seconds. But I'm keeping it fast. Let's go. Eagles bounce back. G-men fall to 0-3. The offense is bad. The offensive line is bad. But at least the running game makes up for it for stinking as well.
Deep in the pocket now. He's going to get hit and he's going to get sacked.
Eagles win. Broncos ride C.J. Anderson to a win over the Bills. I don't know if you've been paying attention, but their running game has been really good. C.J. Anderson, I like Jamal Charles coming off the bench. Okay, Carolina's D is balling. They shut down Drew Brees. Colts edge Cleveland, but start Isaiah Crowell in fantasy. I can't believe I'm saying it. Start Isaiah Crowell in fantasy. Colts still get the win.
Throws incomplete and almost picked off. It is intercepted. Eric Weddle comes up with a pick.
Baltimore has forced 10 turnovers in 2 games. Give me the birds in London. By the way, Raven is a bird. Jaguar is not. Pat's cruise won't be pretty for Deshaun Watson. It's his second career start, which is only like 236 less than Tom Brady. Packers get back in the win column against a sinking Bengals squad. Try saying that again. A sinking Bengals squad that's about to be 0-3. By the way, same matchup 25 years ago. Remember this?
From the 35, 19 seconds left. Ball pumps, throws, touchdown!
Expect a lot of points with Stafford and Ryan going at it. That's Matt Stafford, Matt Ryan. Falcons won on the road. They're not a great team on grass, at least offensively. This is on field turf. I like them at Ford Field. Here's an upset for you. Titans over Seahawks. That's right, Titans over Seahawks. Tennessee, I think, wins the AFC South. Seattle, in the Pete Carroll era, 2-10 on the road in September. 2-10 on the road in September. All right, Kareem Hunt and the Chiefs. They keep it rolling at StubHub. Tough divisional game. Chargers, I can't do it. Chiefs get it. All right, thought about another upset, but the Steelers are going to hold on against Chicago Bears. Here's the thing. Pittsburgh always plays down to their opponents, especially on the road. That offense is not the same on the road. Everything points to Mike Glennon getting an upset here, and it's just not going to happen. Pittsburgh wins. Jay Cutler leads the Fins to a 2-0 start. That's right. I think the Dolphins could be a playoff team. I'm also saying here the Vikings topple the Bucs. This is going to be a tough game. I think Tampa Bay might be a playoff team. Okay, Sunday night, a rematch of Super Bowl 18. It's going to be a close game, rinse and repeat. Actually, that's not a rinse and repeat because the Raiders blew them out. Remember this?
Back upfield, and Marcus Allen could be gone.
Okay, and finally, Dallas over Arizona in NFC East throwback. That's right. These guys used to be in the same division. They play on Monday night. And as much as I love Neil Lomax, as much as I loved Tony Dorsett in those 80s matchups, it's not the same. They're no longer in the same division, and the Cowboys win.